Governor Newsom signed a first-of-its-kind gun control law formed in the wake of the abortion rights debate. KPX5's Ann Makovic has more on this new option Californians have to sue people who help distribute guns.
And this is a giant clapback against two recent rulings from the U.S. Supreme Court. It is coming 1 month after the justices overturned the right to abortion and undermined gun control laws in some states.
The Supreme Court opened the door. The Supreme Court said this was okay. It was a terrible decision. But these are the rules that they have established.
So the new law allows people to sue anyone who distributes illegal assault weapons, parts that can be used to build weapons, guns without serial numbers, ghost guns, or .50 caliber rifles. Citizens can sue for $10,000 for each weapon involved, as well as attorney fees. Newsom specifically requested that lawmakers model it after that Texas law that allows citizens to sue anyone who helps someone get an abortion.
If they're going to use this framework to put women's lives at risk, we're going to use it to save people's lives here in the state of California.
Newsom also just released a new full-page ad in Texas newspapers that criticizes what he says is Governor Greg Abbott's hypocrisy on gun safety. The ad parrots a comment Abbott made about children's right to life, but substitutes gun violence where Abbott said abortion. Meantime, the American Civil Liberties Union has criticized Newsom for creating what they call a bounty system to encourage lawsuits, saying there is no way to take advantage of the flawed logic of the Texas law. No worthy motive and no permissible goal can justify such a radical and dangerous assault on our constitutional structure. Now, the fate of California's new gun law rests on that Texas abortion law. It includes a clause that it would be null and void if the U.S. or Texas Supreme Court strikes down that abortion measure. Sarah.
All right, Ann, thank you. Just yesterday, Newsom signed 8 other gun laws, adding to California's already strict regulation.